Tell her I'll be waiting in the usual place where the hearts grow quiet and the stars embrace. No chains can hold me, but I can't let go. To need a woman is to bear your soul. How the strong get weak and the proud kneel down. How the silence speaks when there's no one around. Slave to love, oh slave to love. You're running with me, but don't touch the ground. We're the restless hearted, not the lost and found. The sky is burning in a sea of flame. Though the world keeps turning, I'll still say your name. Slave to love, oh slave to love. And I can't escape, I'm a slave to love. The storm is breaking, but I still believe we're too young to reason, too old to deceive. Now spring is turning, your face to mine.